create your digital product and start selling it. And I'm going to show you the hottest digital product that is trending right now. If you have always wanted to create a digital product and you don't know where to start from, just follow me step by step. I'm going to show you how you can do it. Yes, and if you don't know what a digital product is a product that you can create online and sell it online, even without any printing cost or even without producing any product. You just create it and people will download it and they'll go ahead and use it by themselves. So this was one of the digital products I've created. Yes, if you were wondering what is a digital product or how does a digital product look like. But if you want to create a digital product that is going to make you money, it's better you do your research very well. And you can use platforms like Etsy, because Etsy, a lot of people come here to buy digital products. And in this example, we are going to create something about summer. So we are going to create summer coloring pages. People are already buying these ones because they want maybe to take them on their vacation. They will be coloring them maybe when they're at the beach and so many other things. So you can come here on Etsy and see what is selling. Then you can go ahead and duplicate on that. Yes, I'm not saying that you should sell your products on Etsy. You can sell it there if you want, but there are also other platforms where you can sell your digital products. So you can come here and use Etsy for research, or you can use it to sell. So these are all digital products that people are creating. And another way you can do your research, you can come to AIs like ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you to come up with a good product idea that is trending and that's working. So for me, I've already done my research. I came to ChatGPT and asked it to give me trending summer products, and I niched it down to coloring pages because I wanted to create something about coloring pages. So you might also have a niche that you want to create something in. It can be for adult people, adult coloring pages. It can be about children coloring pages. It can be a journal. It can be a planner. So it depends on you. So here, these are the trending summer coloring ideas that ChatGPT gave me. Summer vacation adventure, beach day adventure, and it also went ahead to give me the things that I can put in my coloring book. So it was easy for me to start creating my coloring book. So there's also this one, summer fruit and treats, and this is one that I chose. There's also this one which is about summer affirmation for kids. So also summer fashion and outfit coloring. So these are all ideas that you can go ahead and create your digital product about. So what we are going to do, we are going now to go to Canva and start designing our digital product. Yes, but I had already started designing mine. Yes, already in Canva. Yes, but I want to show you guys how you can go ahead and design your own. So I'd already started designing my own. Yes, here in Canva. So this is the book cover. So I was still checking what more I can put in the book cover, and all these things you can design them in Canva, or you can use ChatGPT to design for you a cover and you design the coloring pages in Canva, because nowadays ChatGPT can design pictures too. But if you are on a free version, it can design pictures, 3 pictures per day. But if you're on a paid version, then that's an advantage for you because you can still use ChatGPT to create even coloring pages for you. But don't worry, you can also do this in Canva. Yes, on a free version and on a pro version. Just that on the pro version in Canva, you get more access to better images. So this is what I was creating according to the fruits that ChatGPT gave me to include in my coloring book. Yes, so I'm going to show you how you can also start creating your own and come up with your digital product. So far, these are the ones that I've created, but I want to show you how you can do it. So what you are going to do first, you are going to come here and choose the measurement of your book. It depends on the measurement on the platform you are going to publish your book to. If you want Amazon KDP, Etsy, or other platforms. So you can come here and click on custom design, and when you click on custom design, then we are going to put in here our measurements. Or if you don't know the measurements or the requirements of the platform you want to design on, you can ask ChatGPT and put in the name of the platform and tell it, I want to create maybe a coloring book or a journal, but I want to sell it on this platform. What are the measurements? Then ChatGPT will tell you the measurements. But I'm going to go with these ones, 8.8 by 11, because I want to create this, I want to sell this digital product on my website and also on Amazon KDP. And that's a good way on how you can make multiple streams of income. You can use one digital product and sell it on multiple platforms. So I can sell it on my website and also go ahead and sell it on Amazon KDP. So when we are starting, you can create the book cover, or you can later go ahead and create the book cover. If you are doing for Amazon, you can first create the interior, then you can go later and create the book cover according to Amazon KDP calculator. But I want to show you how you can do the interior. Yes, so what we are going to first put in our book, we are going to first put in a page which is about who this book belongs to, because some people like putting maybe a name in their book showing that this is my property, not another person should touch it. So that's where we are going to start with. So we are going to put in this book belongs to. So that's what we are going to do first. So this will be our first page. So this will be our first page. So after that, you go ahead and align this properly on your page so that it can be seen. If you want, you can come here and increase the size of your text. Yes, and arrange it properly. You can also come here and you can put it in the middle or here at the corner. You can also come here and change the font for your text if you want. So here there are types of fonts that you can change, and these ones you see which have a king or queen crown icon, that means that item is paid for, but there are still free ones that you can use. So we can go ahead and just duplicate this word, then after we'll type in this book belongs. So we can just go ahead, do it like that to make it look more cute and more sensible. Then you can come here and click on elements, then add in some lines so that a person will get space where they can put their name or anything they want to put there on that page. And you make sure your lines are straight and they are in the and they are inside the book. So you can go ahead and duplicate them up to how many lines that you want. You duplicate again until you reach the lines that you want. So because I don't want the video to get longer, so I'll click and go to another page. Since ChatGPT has given us the list of the fruits that we want, so you will come back here on ChatGPT and see the list of the fruits that it has given you that you can go ahead and create. Yes, so these are the list of the fruits that it gave me. So you will come here and pick a fruit one by one if you want, or you can copy them and paste them in your Google Doc. Yes, so my first fruit is about a watermelon. So I'll just come here on where it says elements. So I'll click here on and I write in the word watermelon coloring, or you can put in watermelon outline. So they will come. Yes, you can put in watermelon outlining or watermelon coloring book, any. So as you can see, they have come and they have given me so many. So anything you see with this icon, that means it's paid for. But this one, you see, it's a free one, so you can go ahead and use it if you are not on the Canva paid version. But I would advise you to pay for it because it's going to help you. So this one, which has glasses, is paid for, but I like it, so I'll include it in my book. Then this one is also a slice, which is for free, so I can also do that. You want, you can go ahead and also put like a full watermelon if you want. This one is also cute. Yes, so you go ahead and arrange them properly. Yes, some of them you can make them bigger, others you can make them smaller, or you can just choose to make all of them smaller or bigger. So as you see now, your first coloring page is finished. Then we are going to go ahead and create our second. So as you can see, it's simple and easy. So you don't have to overcomplicate this. Yes, if you want to start creating your coloring book or your digital product, yes, as long as you do your research and you know that the product you are creating, people are already buying it and they are interested in. So then our next picture is going to be about grapes. So you can come here and choose grapes. These grapes you see that are which have this icon, I told you they are paid for, but you can see as this one is a cute grape and it's free. Yes, so you can come here and put many of them as you want, or you want you can put one of them. But sometimes Canva will not allow you to download an image when it only has one picture inside. So what to do, you can go ahead and click on your fruit, then click on this icon which says duplicate and duplicate them, so that you don't get into problems with Canva. Or sometimes if you are printing it for Amazon KDP, they will say you have copyright problems because you did not change anything. So the reason why I'm multiplying them and making them 3 or 2, that shows that I have changed the design and I've added something. And don't worry, it's not that complicated. So you will go ahead and click and come back here on ChatGPT and see another picture that ChatGPT has given you. So you now the next you can come here and find a pineapple. So ChatGPT has suggested you make a pineapple. Then you come back here on Canva and search out for pineapple. Yes, so that's what you are going to do for all of your coloring pages, the rest of them. And in most cases, a coloring book or coloring pages, they reach up to maybe 30 or 20. That's what always people design. Yes, so you can create like 20 coloring pages, post them on Etsy, and people will start buying. Or you can create them and sell them on other platforms like Gumroad. Yes, or you can sell them, or you can create it and publish it also on Amazon KDP. Yes, so you go ahead and duplicate your pineapple. So if you want, you can also go ahead add some pineapple slices to make it look fun and beautiful. Yes, so that's how you are going to go ahead and create your fun digital product which is about summer. So you go ahead and go see on ChatGPT which other picture it has given you, mango, strawberry. So you come back here on Canva and type that word here. For example, if it's about strawberry, then you put in the word strawberry coloring outline. Yes, and you come here and click on that picture and put it and add it into your coloring page. You can also add other ones, and here you can rotate it to make it look fun and different. Yes, so far this is your coloring book. Yes, and what we are going to do, you can come here and put it in a flip book and you start posting it about it on platforms like TikTok or on platforms like Instagram, so that people can know about your book. Or you can post it on platforms like Etsy, because on Etsy you don't need any following. So I'll come here and download my book. So I want to show you how it will look like if a person prints it, or they buy it and they want to print it via Amazon KDP, or they want to print it by themselves at home. So what you are going to do, just come here, download your book. Yes, you can download it as a PDF print. Yes, or some other platforms accept PDF standard. Yes, so when your book is finished downloading, then we are going to come put it in this free tool which can turn it for us into a free book. Yes, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just drag my document, then put it here, and it's going to process. So I'm going to preview it now. So as you can see, the flip book is ready. So this is how our book is going to look, and as you see, it's already looking good and beautiful. It's already coming out. So what you do, you can just take your phone, make a video like this. Don't worry, you'll be like, maybe I don't have this physical book. How am I going to promote my book? How are people going to promote it? So you can just come here on this free tool, and it's also in Canva. There you can access it if you are on the pro version. But if you don't have the pro version, you can just come here on Google, search it, and it will turn your book into a flip book. So you just come here and you record a small video when you are flipping this your book, post it on social media, and people will start buying your book. But if you don't want to go through that posting on TikTok, Instagram, you feel you are burned out, then you can come here on Pinterest. On Pinterest, you don't need to have a following like on TikTok. You need to have 1,000 followers so that you can be able to put a link of your shop in your bio and people can use it. On Instagram, you can put it even without followers, but you still need followers to notice your account so that they can start buying from you. But you can use Pinterest as you are growing your other social media platforms for your digital products. Yes, you can be using Pinterest. It will be bringing in sales for you as you are growing your TikTok, as you are growing your Instagram. Yes, and another tip that you can use on Instagram, you can be asking people, if you like this product, comment I like, then I'll send you the link. So you can be sending the link to anybody who likes your product, even if you don't have a following yet. You can do the same with TikTok. So you can come here on Pinterest, take one of the pages that you have created in your book from Canva and create what they call a Pinterest pin. So when we click here, you will click here where it says create pin. Yes, so you take one of your pages. I've done a video on showing you how you can make money using Pinterest. I'll link it in the description below, so it will help you to know how you can create pins. So you click here, and when you click here, this is where you're going to put your pin. So you come and put the picture of your book. You can put a page of one of your coloring page or one of your coloring pages in your book, or you can go ahead and create a pin showing multiple pages about your book. Then when you finish, you put in your title, your description, and the link. Yes, for example, let me show you. If I come here on my book on Canva, so what I'll just click here on share. And before I download, I'll choose, for example, I want to share the second page. So I will unclick all the other pages. I want to download one page. So I'll go ahead and download this one page. Yes. So when I finish downloading that one page, I'll come back here on Pinterest. I'll drag that picture, that one page I've downloaded from my book, then I'll drag it and put it here on Pinterest. Yes, and it's going to, so as you can see, this is a pin now already. But if you want, you can make it look fancy. You can go in Canva and create a pin, even put in a text in your pin talking about what your coloring page is about. Maybe you can put in summer coloring pages. Then here you can put in the title of your coloring pages. Then here a description. You can ask ChatGPT to write for you a description about your coloring page. Then here, this is where the magic happens. So here you are going to put in the link to your products. For example, if you're selling them on the blog, you can put them a link of your blog, or a link to your shop, your Etsy shop, a link to your Gumroad shop, to your stand store, any platform you are using. And here you choose your board, then put in tags. Maybe you can put in summer, things like that. Then you can publish your pin, or you can also, and the good thing about Pinterest, you can schedule your pin. So you can create like 5 pins a day and schedule them to come at different times. So that's how you're going to promote your digital product even without followers, and you start earning money as you are growing your other social media platforms. So when you see that your information you've put in is ready, then you go ahead and publish. Yes, like other pins that I've shown you people are creating on Pinterest. And that's how you're going to create your first digital product. It's going to be simple and easy. And if this video has given you value, please don't forget to like, to comment, to share where you are watching from, so that next time I can create videos that are really going to help you. But please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next time. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching up to the end.